Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom profile field to BuddyPress user profile in WordPress. So we are using BuddyPress plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in user profile. Now you see name, age. So we are going to add custom field. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see users and then you see profile field. So click on it. So we are in profile field section and then you see base. So we are going to add custom field in profile. Now you see add new field. So click on it. So we are going to add phone number. So you can add name according to requirement. If you want you can make it required, so it's up to you. And then you see type text box. Now you see phone number. You see multiple option and then you see sign up. If you want you can show this field in registration form. Member type and then you see visibility everyone. So we make it only me, but we are going to allow member to override only me, or if you want you can enforce field visibility, so it's up to you. And then click on save. Now save done and then you see field added. Now go to profile. Now refresh the page. So this is our phone number field. This field can be seen by this field is not required. If you make it required then you see this text. Now you see if user want user can change. So click on it. Who can see this field? Everyone, only me, all member, my friend. So user can change setting and then click on close. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.